بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Hira Group of Companies, an established conglomerate in the business field, being within the limits of guidelines specified in the Holy Quran by the merciful Allah, with a sheer determination towards the development of Muslim community and the needy poor.
मिसेस नोहेरा शेख, ये इन्होंने ये साबित करने की कोशिश की है कि मुस्लिम ख़वातीन हर शोबे हयात में कामयाब हो सकती हैं अगर वो कोशिश करें और अगर वो अपने रब के दामन को मजबूती से थाम कर रखें तो दुनिया की कोई चीज़, ना उनका पर्दा, ना उनकी नमाजें, ना उनका इस्लाम को मजबूती से थामना, कोई भी चीज़ दुनियावी तरक्की के रास्ते में रुकावट साबित नहीं हो सकती।
The Hira Group, with a wide-ranging spread in varied businesses, is built around a quintessentially noble objective. Hira Group's ultimate goal is to provide a strong support and a common platform to all Muslim women towards bringing about social upliftment and chartering a better lifestyle for them. Presently, there is a little scope of Muslim women speaking about their rights in any manner, and the group is chartered to contribute massively to minimizing this social shortcoming. Hira Group of Companies is headed by Ms. Alima Sheikh Nohira, who with her sheer vision and business intelligence has created a financially strong business enterprise in the country. Ms. Sheikh has demonstrated that even a Muslim lady can prove to be a successful role model for the otherwise seemingly closed community. Ms. Nohira is also well known for her extensive views on the liberalization of Muslim women and as an educationist of repute. In the year 2007, owing to the astute marketing and business acumen possessed by Ms. Nohira Sheikh, the Hira Group of Companies made its presence with Hira Gold Exports and Imports, which is now poised to make inroads even into the farthest markets across the globe. With its involvement in gold exports and imports, investments and gold jewellery business modules, got a widely spread network with the support of its own branch offices across India, Middle East and West African regions. Hira Group stands on its own exclusive place in the field of gold export and import business channel by providing best quality, best transfer rate as it obtains gold directly from the mines of Accra City, Ghana in West Africa. Hira Group of Companies is a well-established structure with interests into businesses of diversified nature as an enterprise of over 6 organizations. Having been conceived and commissioned by the renowned Ms. Nohira Sheikh as the Managing Director, the group has an extensive presence in the market through Hira Gold Exports and Imports, Hira Investments, Hira Textiles, Hira Electronics, Hira Jewellers and Hira General Trading Private Limited. Hira Gold Exports and Imports. As our core business, HGEI is a vital component of the Hira Group with massive experience and market prowess on business of gold and diamonds. We are well networked with direct miners, that is sellers of gold and diamonds, and with a significant clan of buyers spread over Asia and Europe. We deal in various categories of gold bars, gold dust and rough-cut diamonds in the form of 100% purity and unquestionable longevity. Demonstrating excellence in every facet of business, HGEI has achieved spectacular success in a very short period. The accolades that we have earned have placed us among the top exporters and importers of gold and diamonds in our country today. Hira Investments, Hira Group of companies, providing a fabulous opportunity to the entire range of Muslim community to earn an extra income, which is valid through halal business module as prescribed by Holy Quran. Hira Investments is a flagship company of the Hira Group, having been conceived with the object of providing enterprising solutions in the investment industry in India and the Asia Pacific regions.
एक हलाल तिजारत की बात को समझने के लिए अल्लाह ने जमा फरमाया। मैं सबसे पहले भाइयों और बहनों से गुजारिश करना चाहूंगी कि कोई चीज इंसान के ताकत से और इंसान के सोचने से, इंसान के प्लान से कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता। ये सारे चीजों में जब अल्लाह की मदद होती है, अगर अल्लाह इसमें हमको सपोर्ट करते हैं, अगर अल्लाह की मदद होती है तो ये काम अल्लाह ताला जरूर से जरूर इस काम को अल्लाह तकमील को पहुंचाते हैं, कोई भी काम।
Success of the core business, that is Hira Exports and Imports, has given us the impetus to venture into this associated business and holds immense promise to shareholders and customers of the company. Our expertise with the financial business can prove vital for investors towards successful investments in gold trading, stocks, bonds, shares and mutual funds. Success is largely due to the fact that our products and services are of the highest standards and committed with the customer as the center of our business. Hira Jewellers is built on a passion for excellence and fine product quality, offering a wide range of gold, diamond, silver, precious and semi-precious stone jewellery with elegant traditional designs and intricately patterned contemporary craftsmanship of products comply with BIS hallmark and ISO 9000 standards and are truly world-class. Added to our regular business, we have a range of schemes for enabling all levels of clients find ease of purchase in their desired jewellery at their own convenience. Hira Group recently decided to provide the same benefit to the end customers also by establishing their own chain of showrooms selling hallmark certified gold jewellery with a very competitive rate compared to the entire market. Hira Group, under the guidelines of its chairman, Ms. Nohira Sheikh, who always followed the guidelines of Quran and with a noble thought of helping the poor and the needy, has emerged Hira Group as one of the best women-driven organization across the globe. Hira Group of companies has decided to enter into the market with Hira General Trading Private Limited through various quality products and articles through its general trading sector, which covers groceries, quality textile products, fashion and fancy articles, electronic and electrical instruments, office and home decorative items, daily needs, imported kitchenwares, etc. With the widespread of its trustworthy channel built all these years, Hira Group has planned to open supermarkets across India, Middle East in the near future to make its imported and patented material available to all the public.